so many shops here, also so many big international shops that I haven't seen anywhere else in Asia so far. I found the ice skating mall and this looks so fun and there's so many people there. Can someone please confirm that with me in the comments if they put Parmesan cheese on halo halo? Wait, what is this? Is it a pool? Oh, this is so nice. It was a crazy day in Manila, I have to say. Really crazy. The mall was insane. It was huge. Hello friends and welcome to a new YouTube video. It's day 2 for me here in Manila and I'm right now in front of the Mall of Asia, which is supposed to be the biggest mall in the Philippines if I'm not mistaken, with over 600 shops, and they also have an ice skating range, an ice skating park, which is Olympic size, so it's supposed to be huge. And I'm gonna explore the mall now. I will take you guys along, so let's see what the hype is about. I'm already very overstimulated because there's so much going on and there's so many shops here, also so many big international shops that I haven't seen anywhere else in Asia so far. So this is really crazy. I really wonder how many levels there are in total, because here it looks like they only have 3. So 1, 2, 3. But if you walk over here, you can see that it's going even more up. So I'm not sure. Let's just head up. I found the ice skating mall and this looks so fun and there's so many people there. Actually, I think there's also a school group because if I'm not mistaken, today is Tuesday, so middle of the week. And it's 350 pesos for a 2-hour time slot. So I think, I'm not that familiar yet with the currency exchange, but that's around 6 euros for 2 hours, which is really good, honestly. But I don't think you can rent socks, and I'm wearing my Birkenstocks and I didn't come prepared, so I didn't bring any socks. Otherwise, I would go, guys. I would have fun in there. And if I was here with my boyfriend, I would be here and my boyfriend would be right here. I think my question about the levels has been answered. So there's 3 levels right now open. I'm not sure what's happening on the upper level, but it's just closed. I don't know. And do you know what else I just realized? The glass here is very high. Usually in malls it's like this high, but here they made sure that it's extra safe for people. And I've never seen it in any other mall before. And that doesn't help me. I thought this is touch. No. You know what my mission is now. I think I need to get a coffee. I'm really tired and I could go to sleep now, but it's only 5:15, so definitely not the time to go back home and sleep. So let me find a coffee place, perhaps the food court if they have one, but I guess in a mall like this they should have a food court somewhere. Let me find it. Do you see it? Ooh. They have Forever 21 here. I thought that all of the shops were closed. I didn't know they existed anymore. I need to have a look. Okay, I think I had enough of a look. Let me just say I know why most of the shops are closed. But guys, do you know what I found? The food court. Let's go. I'm not getting food, I'm not getting a coffee, I'm getting halo halo, which is a Filipino dessert. Do you know that you can book hotels and earn crypto rewards at the same time? Let me show you how. IMPT is super easy to use. Just search, book and earn crypto and cashback rewards with every stay. There are over 4 million hotels worldwide, from cozy getaways to luxury escapes. And the best part, not only do I get rewards every time I book, but my stay also helps support eco-friendly projects. Like my booking today helped fund reforestation. How cool is that? Every time you book with IMPT, you get cashback and crypto rewards at the same time. It's literally like getting paid to travel. And how amazing is that? This is seriously the easiest way to book hotels and make a difference. Plus, it only takes a few clicks and you're on your way to your eco-friendly travel with rewards. If you want to make your travels meaningful now while earning rewards, then try it yourself. I've linked the link to IMPT for your next hotel stay in the description box below, so go ahead and check it out. And now let's go back to Manila and explore. I believe that it's very famous in the Philippines, and the one that I chose is ice cream and a lot of other stuff as well. I'm very excited to try it. I got a number 7. Your special item is coming soon. So when this is gonna buzz, it means I'm getting calories. Oh, and also, I don't think I've told you, but when I arrived in the Philippines, in Manila airport, and I had to get some cash out of the ATM, I put my first card in, put in the PIN, wrong, blocked, card blocked. I was like, what? Because it was only the first try, but then I remembered a few weeks ago when I was in Bangkok, I also tried with the same PIN. I tried 2 times, and it was wrong, so now was the 3rd time. So I couldn't get any cash out of the ATM. I tried my second card, my Indonesian card, same. I tried it apparently 2 times already in Bangkok a few weeks ago. Now it's the 3rd time, blocked. I was like, okay, I'm by myself, it's a solo trip. I'm not gonna have access to any other cards. Like worst case, I have to ask another traveler to withdraw money for me, and then I transferred to them. Then I just sat down, had a little mental breakdown, tried to call my banks and stuff, but it didn't work. And then when I flipped through my cards, I found another one from my German bank that I hadn't activated yet. So luckily through the app I could set a PIN and then get money on the ATM. Otherwise I would have had a big problem. So guys, when you're traveling by yourself, make sure you have at least 2 credit cards, just in case one gets stolen or one gets sucked in by an ATM or anything. And also to know your PINs. So yeah, you have to learn from me. And also, I'm still getting used to the Filipino pesos. I think 1 euro is about 60 pesos right now, which is good. I think the last time I was in the Philippines, it was 1 euro to 50 pesos. So that's quite a good exchange rate, I think. And I just still need to get used to the colors, and also when I see the price in Filipino pesos to exchange it to euros, because I still don't get a feeling, but it's gonna come. Didn't know that the one I was filming was actually mine, but it looked so good, so I'm very happy that it is. And look at this. I don't know what's all in there, but it's strawberry ice cream. I have marshmallows, I have chocolate sauce, and I have a lot of other stuff, so let's try this. What is that white powder? It's not cheese? I'm so confused, guys. Did I put cheese on halo halo? But this is so good. Wow. I can't really identify all of the ingredients, but what I can say is that this is really good. Then I paid 150 pesos for it, I think, so 2 euro 30 cents, something like this. So also very reasonable for a good dessert like this. Okay, now I think I'm sure that this is Parmesan cheese. Can someone please confirm that with me in the comments if they put Parmesan cheese on halo halo? I need to know. Finished my halo halo, and wow, this was so good, but also so sugary. I'm very happy that I took the small size, because they also had a bigger size, but this one was more than enough for me. And now it's almost 6 p.m. I will see if they will have a shop where I can get an SD card to film my YouTube videos, because I only brought 2, and I'm not sure if that's going to be enough for this trip, because I want to film a lot. And then I think I'm gonna go back. Okay, wait, I thought I just exited the mall and I wanted to go closer to the, I don't want to say beach, but the ocean. And then there's another piece of mall. Is it the same? Does it all belong together? This is crazy, because here they also have Adidas, Essay, like all the shops I didn't see before. Wait, what is this? Is it a pool? Okay, no, not a pool, just a reflection. How do I get out? Okay, this is crazy. Can I go out? I made it out of the Mall of Asia. Wow, that was honestly a really huge mall. I thought it ended before, it didn't. Oh, this is, oh my god, the sunset. Look at this. Oh, this is so nice. And all the lights, and there's so much going on. They even have, I don't know what this is called in English. like a, not a ferry wheel. I don't know, I forgot the name. But yeah, they have so many attractions here. Wait, I need to see that. This looks so beautiful. Okay, but now the bigger question is, how do I cross the road and where? I don't know. This way. But the sunset, guys! Ah, this is so beautiful. I didn't expect this. It was almost raining before. Oh. This is not working. This is so cute. Oh my god, guys, this was a crazy day in Manila. I have to say, really crazy. The mall was insane. It was huge, and I'm so sad that just after I left, basically, I found out that there's another piece of the mall with all the sports shop that I would have loved to see, but I need to go back to my hotel soon because I'm very tired actually, because tomorrow will be a big travel day for me as I'm flying from Manila to El Nido, and I'm so excited for it because I remember from the last time I've been to the Philippines that the beaches were insane. Like, still, I have traveled a lot in the last 8 years, I would say, and the beaches in the Philippines were still some of the best I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, definitely top 3, if not top 2. Honestly, no, honestly, which one would be the most beautiful beach I've seen in my life? Probably Whitehaven Beach in Australia, but after that, like right after, comes the Philippines. So I'm very excited for some island hopping over the next few days. So if you don't want to miss out on that, then definitely subscribe to my channel right now, and I think I'm gonna go for a stroll now along here and then head back.